Hello friends, I hope you're doing well. I've got some tests today. Let's answer them together. Test 1. Omnipotent. Omnipotent. Part A. Able to do everything. Part B. Only able to control your own emotions. The answer is Part A. In math, God is often seen as omnipotent. Test 2. Impotent. Impotent. Part A. Not able to have baby. Part B. Having too many romantic relationships. Part A. He felt embarrassed discussing his impotent condition. Test 4. Body. Body. Part A. A formal partner. Part B. A friend. Part B. Hey buddy, want to grab a coffee? Test 5. Nod off. Nod off. Part A. To start sleeping while sitting. Part B. To move your head in fast circle. Part A. He nodded off during the boring lecture. Test 6. Insecure. Insecure. Part A. Feeling not safe. Part B. Acting wild and angry. Part A. She felt insecure about her presentation. Test 7. Deaf. Deaf. Part A. Not able to hear. Part B. Someone who refused to talk. Part A. He was born deaf and uses sign language. Test 8. Consummate. Consummate. Part A. To finish a relationship. Part B. To cancel a wedding. Part A. The couple consummated their marriage that night. Test 9. Way too much. Way too much. Part A. A little more than usual. Part B. Much more than needed or good. Part B. He put way too much salt in the soup. Test 10. Check it out. Check it out. Part A. Forget about something on purpose. Part B. Look at something. Part B. Check it out. There is a new cafe on Main Street. Test 11. Costume. Costume. Part A. A law made by companies for employees. Part B. Special or traditional clothes from a culture. Part B. She wore her traditional Indian costume to the festival. Test 12. Take your mind off. Take your mind off. Part A. Stop thinking about a problem. Part B. Think very hard about something important. Part A. Watching a movie helps me take my mind off work. Test 13. Foam finger. Foam finger. Part A. A big soft finger made of foam for fans. Part B. A plastic hand used by traffic police. Part A. He waved his foam finger at the game excitedly. Test 14. Steam milk. Steam milk. Part A. Make milk hot with steam. Part B. Boil milk until it becomes thick like a cream. Part A. I steamed milk for my cappuccino. Test 15. Worth. Worth. Part A. The value or importance of something. Part B. The shape or size of something. Part A. That ring is worth thousands of dollars. Test 16. FICA. FICA. Part A. A popular cooking brand from Italy. Part B. A U.S. government tax for Social Security. Part B. FICA is dedicated from every paycheck in the U.S. Test 17. Live on something. Live on something. Part A. To eat something only once in a while. Part B. To get money from something to live. Part B. Many students live on scholarships. Test 18. Swear. Swear. Part A. To write your name on legal papers. Part B. To promise strongly. Part B. He swore he didn't take the money. Test 19. Apron. Apron. Part A. A cloth you wear to protect your clothes while cooking. Part B. A long scarf worn during winter. Part A. She tied her apron before starting to bake. Test 20. What's going on with you? What's going on with you? Part A. Who do you live with? Part B. What are you doing? Part B. Hey man, what's going on with you these days? Congratulations! You've learned 20 important words from episode 4 of the TV show Friends. Goodbye!